Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to post on YouTube Shorts. Posting on a YouTube Short is a fantastic way to share quick and engaging content with your audience. Whether it's informative clip, a fun moment, or a trending challenge, here's how you can upload a short. The first step is to open YouTube and start uploading. And just go to your YouTube app on your mobile device, or you can access YouTube via your computer by going to your web browser and type in youtube.com. After that, open the YouTube app and tap the plus button at the bottom, right here in the bottom middle, and select create a short to record a new video or upload a video to use an existing clip. There isn't an option to upload a short, but I'll just select a video. Then I'll select a random video here. Now, if recording, press hold the red record button to capture a video up to 60 seconds long. You can switch between front and back camera using the flip icon, and you can also edit your shorts by adding music, text, stickers, and filters to enhance your video, and also trim and adjust clips before proceeding. For the fourth and final step, add details and post. Write a catchy title in this section right here, and add a description. This contains hashtags like hashtag short to improve visibility, and choose visibility settings from private, public, or unlisted. And after that, tap the upload to publish your short. Remember to use trending music and effects to boost engagement, and keep your shorts engaging and concise to retain viewers. And consistency is key so posting regularly helps your channel grow. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.